this is how you winterize and dewinterize your vehicle. Now, you're gonna just pop this open here above your refrigerator, and you're gonna have your water pump, which will have this little short hose that it will come with this little hose that attached to it to put down in a gallon antifreeze, so that way you can suck the antifreeze into the lines to winterize whenever cold weather comes around. Now, have in mind that you have to turn your water pump on. Now, for your fresh water, you're gonna have here a line here at the back, a little valve right here. Now, if you're dewinterizing the vehicle, just make sure that you fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump, and let the water flow through 2 to 1 minute, and that should wash all the antifreeze out of your lines, and your vehicle should be dewinterized.